G'day, welcome back. So today we're going to be taking the engine out of the Morris Minor. Right, so what tools do we need to take an engine out of a Morris Minor? Well, probably not a huge amount. We'll be using our ToolPro Toolkit because it's got all the imperial sockets. We've got a little impact driver, which is pretty cool. The reviews coming up for that one. WD-40, got a light. The only set of imperial wrenches I've got is this stubby set, but I've also got this set of kind of hybrid wrenches, which is both metric and imperial in the same wrench, which, as you can imagine, means they don't fit too well on anything. Well, that's not quite true. They're really good on kind of slightly damaged rounded bolts. But yeah, we'll see how we get on with those. There's most things we can use a ratchet. I think just a bumper we might need to use a spanner. So there. I've also got some tape and a pen so we can mark up any connections that we're going to be disturbing. But that should hopefully be it until we get into the engine crown, which is over there somewhere. So we'll show you that when we get there. Right, so here's our Morris Minor engine bay. Plenty of room. Should be nice and easy to get that out. Now apparently you can just unbolt the engine, slide it forward a touch, spin it 90 degrees and pull it straight up without having to take anything else off. So I'm going to come in, I'm going to take the bumper off, take this front panel off, take the radiator out. Gives us a whole lot more room to prep for paint and then paint and paint. The bonnet, you see the check strap there. We're going to undo the pin and that will then sit straight up and down, so you don't need to take it off. So that should be nice and easy. Now the engine itself apparently weighs about 100 kilos, which is 15 stone in English, or what's that? That's about 3/4 of a hogshead in American. So I probably could muscle it out of there by hand, but I don't think my spine would appreciate it. So we're going to use the engine crane, give it a tug, and Bob's your uncle. Right, bumper's held on by two nuts. I look around about 11/16 maybe. No, bigger. Got to go bigger. 3/4, better be, because that's the biggest one I got. Oh, you dirty swine. Bigger than that. What's bigger than that? Smaller than that. What? 7/8, is it? Righto, so a 22mm works really well. So I'll go find a 22mm spanner. I've got one of them. Right, let's try that again with our 22mm spanner. It's coming okay. We might just give it a wee tickle just to help us on our way. One of them. Put it there loosely for the moment. Right, should be better. Ta-da! So the engine's out. Gave up on this front panel. Too many rusty bolts behind the wings there. Came out this hole nice and easy, especially if you kind of do the broomstick modification. Yeah, a few bolts, a few nuts, a few wires, all done. So join me for the next one. We'll take the engine to pieces. Cheers. Ding ding, radiator.